Brighton. Prince, yeah, man. Principal doctor and I back and Prince. Guy taking this in. Nice. This man have many net over here, so. Mary shop here, so. Mary is still alive, Prince?
Yeah,
Mary.
Looking for the coat.
Second. Why that place? I don't know Marley Home.
Yeah, Clive.
Clive. Yeah, but I remember him. But man, still have a place over here.
Yeah, man.
But what am I doing now? We just passed one Bob Marley place. So then saying cut. Cold Brown was my bed last night. Rockstone was my pillow. Alright. This is like a little fishing village. I did a video about it some time ago. This is like another drive-through. Going to deliver some gas at this hotel. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Why not? So this is what the countryside look like, guys. 6 miles out on the grill, I'll say. Local road. Road really bad, man. This is a hotel, but it look like nothing not going. Lockdown. So we just taking our time cruising down the road. Bumpy road. On the roadside there, just speeding. That's having an offer. Well, a nice house right there, so there are some beautiful houses though. It will be is on the come up, guys. Nice concrete houses. I think we're close. We passed the Korea school area, Prince.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Nice clubhouse over there, so on the right hand side. The seafront here, so. Oh, what is it? Oh, that was what is it? Yeah. Body billing. I don't know what is Prince. I want club or something.
Yeah, like a something.
Oh, this so. A little bit is on the come up, guys. Really developing. Cottages, yeah. Yes, guys. You know, we are on our way to the hotel. Eh? Silan. So yes, guys, we are on our way to Little Bay. Matter of fact, we are in Little Bay now. Going to deliver some gas. Me and Principal. And this is what it looks like so far. Developing and they come up. Almost to Negril, guys. If you're in Negril, you don't have to be in Negril all the while. Let's come on down. Check out the countryside. This is a little fishing village. So as you can see, lots of developments going on down here. Little Bay is on the come up, big time. Nice houses, nice landscape. We have the Caribbean Sea. So come along with me and see what it looks like. So this is the hotel, guys. This is where we're going. Can I go down for the beach? Hi. So yeah. Look at this. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Wave. Wave. What's up? So guys, I'm actually over here by Cove. Huh? What? Check this out, guys. This is a Starker Sensimina. It's a Starker Sensimina tree. Wow. And we have a big grape tree right here. Look very quiet over here today. I don't have a lot of guests.
In the beach.
You're going to the beach?
Yeah.
So guys, I'm walking down to the beachfront. I'm standing here right under this big old grape tree. Nice calm day. Sea is right there. Oh, and this is a nice building up here. Wow, I like this style. Open concept. Dining room is right here. As you can see, the dining room is right there. And we have like a 3-story dining room underneath. Wow, big old grape tree right here again. And look at the crystal water. Wow, now I'm walking up this back up the street because I gotta hit another spot. Shania, what's up? Shania, what's up? Shania, hey! Daddy's girl. Shania. Tip her when she's walking, she's tipping on her toes, so like ballerina.
Yeah, she loves green.
So put her in ballet. The principal that I walk up the street.
I'll take my bike down. No problem, my bike down.
Friends, how you doing today?
I'm good, I'm good.
Been a while.
Yeah.
Been a while. Good to see you.
Hello, sir. Are you the owner?
Yes, well, yeah.
Yeah. How are you doing? I'm here just taking some.
I was one of the first ones to come and get gas for
Oh wow. What is your name, sir?
many years ago.
What's
Steve.
your name? Steve.
Steve. I'm Steve.
Nice to meet
What's
you,
your
Steve.
name?
Sonia.
Sonia?
That's Princess aunt. Supposed to call
Aunt
me
Sonia.
aunt.
Aunt
Yeah, Aunt
Sonia.
Sonia.
It's a pleasure.
Nice to meet
Nice
you,
to
sir.
meet
I like the settings, the atmosphere.
Well, thank you.
It's a bit quiet.
It's supposed to be.
Oh, it's
Yeah. We like quiet.
yeah, it's nice. I love
We
it.
like quiet. You can get noise anywhere.
Yeah. So
Nice.
guys, this is Steve. He's the owner of this nice hotel here. What's the name of it?
Coral Cove.
Carl's Cove. So if you're ever in this area, come and check out Little Bay.
check it out.
Come and check
Come
it out.
see
It's
us.
nice.
Nice
atmosphere.
to meet you, Aunt Sonia.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Good to see you,
all
friend.
right, Steve, all right.
Come on, Shania. Run. Yeah, give me a turn. Give me a turn.
Huh?
Shania gave me a twirl. So guys, we have this building up front here. It's not such a big place, but you know, cottages, nice cottages. Yeah.
Hey, Tony.
Y'all would be.
Tony.
Alright.
Guys, we're still passing through on the Little Bay Road on our way back out. And we are approaching Little Bay School now. Hold on, Fred. Hold on. So guys, this is what Little Bay schools look. This is what Little Bay School look like now, guys. Those of you that went abroad long time ago, this is what it looks like. No, look at it. Right side. Okay, you see? Now if we go here, Little Bay School. Yeah, man. Look much more better. With a facelift, painted, blue and yellow. We have the tank outside here. The children are here in Jamaica going to Little Bay School. That is what it looks like. Simple little school, and we have the mini mart across there. Some of the houses right here. Nice little shop over there. As usual, nice shrubbery, bushes, greenery. Apple tree over there. Shop right here. Whose house is this one? Nice house right here. Nothing but upstairs and downstairs house, you know. Nobody not bother with one story building, no man. So it's just a little drive through Little Bay. Fishermen over there. Those are all your canoes. Today is fish day, so yes guys, fishermen. They just came in from the sea. I don't know if they get any fish. So you know, so one time they place at no houses, pure bush. So what now? Yeah. Which one are them? The blue, the yellow one, then concrete one. Done. I don't know. Done well. She done well for herself, eh? She have kids? Wow, this is nice. So guys, this is what it looks like, guys. We are approaching Jackshell here. Coming close to Jamwas. It's a lot of, bushes. Which is normal in the country. That's what it looks like. This is some tobacco over there, sir. Tobacco. But people are, trying to put their houses here and there in our bushes. So, it's not so lonely like before. Lonely like before. Oh. So, friends, one person own all these lands, right?
If you didn't go well,